I know the survey for IBBA is either going to close today or tomorrow. I'm not sure if anybody follows up on the IBBA surveys.
So
Oh,
are
I
you,
did.
which survey are you referring to?
I think this is Q4 2025 that IBBA does on a quarterly basis. Um,
Okay. Yeah, with Pepperdine in connection with Pepperdine
oh, it is? I
University.
didn't know that.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah. Mhm.
cool.
Yeah, they do. And actually, if you go out to IBBA's site and go to the resources, you can download all of those surveys and the responses from all of the surveys, the summaries going back years. So
That's wonderful.
yeah, yeah, no, it's always interesting to see what the outlook is from different brokers as they aggregate that information. So, but I still think, a lot of it is really your own perspective and your own, there are some brokers that just think, the economy is going south and businesses aren't worth as much as they used to be, and business owners aren't going to be selling and yada yada yada. And then there are other brokers that think the exact opposite. It's like, hey, there's always opportunities, there's always boomers wanting to sell, wanting to retire. There's just all kinds of good opportunities out there. Go find them. So I think a lot of it is just attitude and perspective.
Did anyone actually look at or attend the class that had the leveraging the market pulse results?
I did not. Did you attend that one?
No, I missed it.
They record those webinars, so you should be able to
Okay.
find that on IBBA's website.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah. Look for the recording. I mean, there's so much, and I'm sure it's not the first time they've done that webinar either. And so, you can go back and look at some of the historical webinars and find those. But I can tell you at the IBBA conference every year, usually Lisa Riley and a couple other brokers will do, no, actually, Lisa Riley, Ron West, and somebody else. I can't remember, but they do a workshop at IBBA about Market Pulse and how to use it, how to use it in your practice with your business owner sellers and so forth. So yeah, it's always good information at conferences.